Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Saro and I'm going to show you how to make a puppy using round paper. So these are the materials that you need. We need 6 round papers about the same size. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 round papers, right? And then we need some glue, scissor, and marker pen. And don't forget your A4 paper. Alright, so first you need to cut out round papers so you can get different colors. Alright, okay. First, we're going to pick one of the round paper and then we're going to stick on the paper right in the middle. Put some glue. Put some glue. And then you're going to stick right in the middle. Something like this. So this is the body. Now we are going to stick the head. So next, I'm going to use gray color for the head. So put some glue at the back. And then stick it like this. See? The head is in front. The body is a bit back, so the head should be a bit in front. Alright, next we are going to make the ear. Okay, take one of this circle and then you're going to fold it into half. And then we're going to cut it out. So we will have semicircle. Something like this. And then that's for the ear. And then we're going to put some glue and stick just right in the back. Stick it left and right. Like this. All right, and then now we're going to make the tail. So for tail, we need to take another circle and then we're going to fold it into half again. And then we're going to cut it into half. We need semicircle. Semicircle. We're going to use light green for the tail. Put a little bit of glue and stick it right. Alright, look, your puppy is ready. Then you can use marker pen to draw the eyes. The nose, and then you can draw the mouth. Ta-da! And then you can draw the whiskers. See, that's the whiskers. There you go, it's ready. So this is puppy, and we make puppy out of paper, and we use circle and another circle, semicircle in another semicircle. That's it. Hope you enjoy.